Hello everybody, today we're making a creamy fettuccine. That rhymed, huh? Pretty good. I'm going to show you how, the best one you've ever had. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. Remember, this is going to be a real creamy sauce and you're going to love it. So I got some shredded Parmesan, also some grated one. It's a cup and a half, and we're going to get started. Get our sauce started with olive oil. We're going to use white wine. We're going to use black pepper, and it's going to be to taste, and the salt, the same thing. A pinch of nutmeg, just a pinch. You're not going to taste it, believe me. And also the white wine, you're not going to taste it either, but it makes a difference. And I have here 2 cups of cream, heavy cream, and I have a small shallot. Shallot is in between garlic and onion, right? And of course, I do the good fellow thing and slice my my garlic with a razor knife. And believe me, it works. I seen it on Goodfellas, and I said, let me try that. Sure does, because what happens is this is so thinly sliced that it'll turn into the sauce instead of biting it with your when everything's ready. I'm using a stick of butter and 2 egg yolks, and for garnish I'm gonna have just about a handful of parsley, and we're using a pound of dry fettuccine. So yes, this is gonna be Ricky's touch, FETTUCCINE ALFREDO. Okay, pound of pasta in, and this will take approximately, the package says 12 to 13 minutes. We'll taste it when it's about 10 minutes to see if it's al dente. In goes the butter, and we're just gonna let it melt. You want to let it melt right into the pan, and once that's done, we're actually going to lower all the way down low. All these beautiful ingredients. Now we're going to put our garlic and our shallots into the sauce, and just we want to get them almost browned, and that will take just a couple minutes. Okay, so here we're gonna put just a little bit of salt to taste. Don't put too much. And then I said just a pinch of nutmeg, and that's about all I'm gonna put as far as nutmeg goes. And our black pepper, also to taste. We love pepper in this dish, so we like to add a lot. So now we just give it a little mix, and now we're going to add our heavy cream. Beautiful. And now we're just going to mix it up until everything kind of binds together, and the sauce will turn white. Got that beautiful tasting olive oil. So just keep mixing it until you get everything happy in there. Everything smelling so good. So now I'm gonna put some white wine in there, and it's about a 1/3 cup of white cooking wine. And now what we're what we're gonna do is we're gonna evaporate the alcohol from the wine, and that'll take a minute or two. So now I have my 2 egg yolks, and I'm just gonna scramble them just to make them creamy. And now I'm gonna add them to my sauce a little bit at a time. You don't want to put the whole thing in there because then they'll cook, they'll curl. So I'll put a little bit at a time and keep mixing till you see the white sauce instead of a yellow sauce. And then keep adding it a little bit more until you're done with the whole thing. So here we go with the last of it. And just keep mixing. Keep mixing and mixing. And you'll see the sauce, it'll get thickened with everything that I add. The egg, and now comes the cheese. So I'm going to put the the half first, and then just keep mixing, and this will thicken the sauce real nicely. So just keep moving it around. You don't want the cheese to get stuck on the bottom of the whatever powder you're using. And see, it's already thick, but we want it thicker. Like I said, it's gonna be a creamy and thick sauce. So, but you're gonna love every bit of it, guaranteed. Okay, look at my sauce. My sauce is nice and creamy. Look at that, it's beautiful. So now I'm just waiting for my pasta, and it's gonna be about 1 more minute, and then I'll show you how. So now my pasta is al dente now, and I'm not even going to strain it because I want all that little extra liquid. I mean, I'll let it run through just a little bit, but I'll just put it right in there. So now all we're going to do is just mix it around. You know, get all that sauce in there and let it soak up all those beautiful ingredients that we put in there. And I mean, we are almost ready to plate. I'll show you how it looks. So now it's time to plate, guys. And look at that beautiful creamy. Oh, that is so beautiful. Is that wonderful or what? So now what I like to do is I myself like to put a little bit of extra pepper because I love pepper. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of that garnish, and I'm gonna put it all over the plate. See how beautiful that looks? Wonderful. Now I'm gonna put just a touch of grated Parmesan. And there it is. Beautiful, creamy, so delicious. And there you go, made from scratch. And now for my favorite part, the taste. Look at that, it's so creamy. That is so creamy. I like to eat this with a salad just because it's so rich. I got a little salad there with my bread, and you have a complete meal right here. I love it. So I hope you like this dish as much as I do. It's so creamy, so delicious. Hit that like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.